So this is dining area, kitchen, great sized kitchen actually, overlooking outside, which is beautiful. Every room has a view through to laundry, cupboards, and door to outside front. Round here is the lounge area. Again, glass sliding doors to outside, and log burning stove, ceiling fan, and you've got the rake ceilings here. Tiled throughout, easy clean. Triple storage here, triple rope storage. Bedroom 1. Again, great size. Again, all sliding doors out to the rear yard. Hi. Double built in. Come through to master bedroom. Reverse cycle air conditioner, ceiling fan. And again, door to outside, rear covered patio area. So as you can see, that goes all the way along. I'll just shut this door while I'm here. Ceiling fan, 9-foot ceilings, and then you've got a built-in here. So neat and tidy. Bedroom 3, again another great size. Ceiling fan and glass sliding doors to outside area. So this is the front patio area. Separate toilet, bathroom, great size shower, bath, vanity unit, heat lamps, let's turn these lights off. Master bedroom, along the corridor. Again, as I say, lounge area, dividing wall to kitchen, laundry, dining area, log burning stove, and then sliding door to outside area. So you've got a double carport here attached to the house. The land is outstanding. I mean, just outstanding. This is well over an acre of flat grass land. So you've got fully fenced. So come through. You've got a cattle grid here and shed, and you've got plenty and plenty of water tanks. The creek is just behind here. I'll show you where the creek is. It's beautiful. There's lemon and lime trees, plus tomatoes in there. Another citrus fruit here. And then just over this fence here, there's the creek. Idyllic. So there's the house and the water tank. Come through here. Tool shed. Front entrance. And plenty of accommodation here. You actually have a granny flat. This is the granny flat. I'll take you through. So you've got a caraport for the caravan. You've got the shed and the workshop. So once you're here, you have everything. everything for extra guests to stay. So this granny flat has, here we go, again tiled floors all matching with the same as the house. Glass sliding doors there, reverse cycle air conditioning unit, plenty of space for a bed and sofa. Then you have like a little kitchenette, a shower. I'll show you the shower. Shower. Exhaust fan. Hand basin. And separate toilet. So if you needed extra income and you wanted to rent this out, or you've got family that needed to stay, it's perfect. Perfect. And there we go. So the land's on 23 acres. This is just over a couple of acres all lawned. And then it goes through here, up there, all fenced. The only noise you get are from the cows and the birds.